Alright, so it is late. I'm getting off of work, ready to head home. I'm gonna walk around this corner. Car wash parked way in the back of the building, so I won't get door dinged, of course, because people don't care in the world of their own property. This is how it is. Alright. Ready to get in my car on this rainy day. This taken down. Alright. The AC's blowing. Alright, now let's get ready to make it home. Let's get home safe. No speeding. That's one of the hard things about driving this car. But just be patient, take it slow. You don't have to worry about braking. So, you know, I can at least say it gets very loud in my cabin now. Like literally, and sitting inside the car when I'm driving, it's really loud. And when I listen to music, I literally have to turn it up. That sucks. It sounds really good. We are out at IHOP eating our breakfast, and then we want to outlet mall. She's decided some more things to do, more things to see, and tonight we're going to see the movie Spider-Man. We're looking forward to it. Smile on your face. Hi. It's the same thing you always say. This stuff is really, really good. So try it at IHOP. The wife is at Sephora. We were walking around. Might be returning something. Smiley. This is crazy. Having fun driving around the Z. Just lovely. She's searching. Always. I have to make my way to the store because I forgot to get laundry soap. So I gotta wash all these clothes. Do little house chores, and I'm gonna go see Slender Man later tonight. That's what makes everything a lot more fun. So, but other than that, enjoying the day. Just every time the wife asks, "Well, what car do you want to drive?" Like, let's take my car. Just enjoying driving it every day. It doesn't get boring at all. Replace it once I get my mid pipe in, but I have not even touched the gasket that's from the headers from deleting my cats because it's ruined. So Wednesday, I guess I'll make a plan to do it. Change that out. That should be fun. Alright, let's get to the store. Man, this really sucks. So I get all the way up here and I forgot my card at home. My Sam's card. So I gotta drive all the way back home and grab the card, make my trip back up here, and grab what I'm getting. This sucks. I can. Moments like this, just wish you could teleport stuff. Alright. I'll be right back. Just run home, grab this card, and make my way back into the store. I'll be one of those guys. I'll park back here. That far away. Finally, I made it back. Alright, now back in the parking lot. And on my way here, I can at least say I broke some necks today. Just heading to Sam's. saw so many neck turns. My neck turned, but no. Let's go ahead and get in there and grab what I'm getting and head back home and try to wait it out until we go see the movies. Alright. I'll tell you one thing, it is really hot outside for summer. Really hot. Making our way fun at our excursions. What hell, BBB?
You got you got oh, don't you know?
There we go. Just lay this down. Hopefully it doesn't spill anywhere. Alright everybody, we're about to get ready to go see Slender Man with my lovely wife, and she's sitting right here smiling, looking gorgeous as always. So, we'll give you our feedback. Hopefully it's really good, just like the games. I am a gamer, so just heading our way to the theater. Alright, I'll catch y'all there. It's good, everybody. So the movie was good, and we enjoyed our night, and got home by 1:30 in the morning. Sad part is, I had to be working at 5 in the morning. I had to drive to Dallas like early in the morning because I don't want to be in traffic. So I had 4 hours of sleep. So, you know, I don't know if y'all other Z owners have this issue, but early this morning on my way to work, I had about like, this is where my gas was. So, as I was making my way to work this morning, my gas light is it was right about here. And I guess making it at work, it went from around here to like 2 lights, and then I saw like an indicator. So it was saying that I had like 74 miles to go before I run out of gas. It's like, how in the world my gas dropped that fast? I mean, I wasn't speeding I was speeding, but in 6th gear. I was just going like 80 miles an hour. I've just never seen my gas drop that quick. So I'm sitting here thinking, okay, you know, did I hit something and put a leak in it, or is it my bad fuel pump? Like, I'm sitting here like just thinking. So as I pulled up into the gas station, back in my car, it was like slightly delayed. It didn't go all the way up. So after that, my range meter on my gas was showing from 358 to 400, and then it went from 400 to 402, and then 402 to 405. So I'm gonna have that looked at. Hopefully it's nothing wrong. Hopefully it's not a bad sensor. Hopefully, if it is, I really hope it's easy to replace. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. But that's what happened this morning on my way to work. So I don't know if your other Z owners have that issue dealing with that. But that was one of my challenges this morning, and it like literally scared me. So never again, hopefully not. But so far I got to work and I'm sitting here and it's like lights are on and everything. It looks fine, everything looks normal. It's not, gas is not dropping, so that's a plus. That's one of the good things. That's a plus. But I don't know which cold air intake to go with. I heard so many great things about Stellan cold air intake. The rams that go underneath your bumper. And then also I keep seeing like the short ram intake. Which one of you guys think that should go with? I thought about going with the short ram, but then again I want to go with the long ram where it gets cooler, denser air out from the bumper. I think that's a little bit better. I want to say it looks good too, especially when you pop the hood up and you see it goes all the way down. So that was one of the things I'm thinking about doing, but I won't be able to get that anytime soon because we're getting ready to go on a trip. We're going to go to Oahu. So many things to do in the next few weeks. So, but hopefully I can continue to push for good content. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Sorry I didn't do much of anything big this week, but it was a busy week. Just working non-stop. Finally had my off day. Went to the movies. Enjoyed the movies as y'all know. Also, whenever I get a chance, I want to be able to get those sensors in my tires fixed. But because when I first got the car, I did take the car to a Discount Tire, and Discount Tire was stating that my sensors are bad. They put like a reader next to my tires in my car, and they said they were unable to read anything, so it might most likely have bad sensors. That's why it's not indicating that my tire pressure is. My tires are not low. I make sure they're good. So this is one thing I need to get replaced. So I saw it on Amazon or online. I can order some, like all four for like $100, but when I went to Discount Tire, they said it'd be $50 per tire. So I was doing the math, thinking, I was like, man, that's $200. Then again, I'm not saying I'm going with the cheapest route, but I'm going with something that's a little bit. The sensors I saw, I had a 5-star, and also it looks pretty good. So I was like, you know what, I might as well just buy that and then go take it up there and have them install it into my tires. I would do it myself, but I don't have the proper tools for that, so I don't want to cause something even worse to happen. But that's one of the sensors I have to get replaced. But other than that, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and again, thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. Until next time, guys, deuce.